Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a slime with only 2 ingredients. I've not tried it yet, so I'm not sure if it's going to fail, but yeah, so for this I'm going to make one fluffy and one normal, and then I'm going to make a fluffy off and I'm going to make fluffy off, fluffy on, normal off, because I'm making one a normal for me and Sophie, and then a fluffy for me and Sophie to share, and then a fluffy for Cameron and James to share in this thing here. Okay, so for this you're going to need glue. I just have this cheap Sainsbury's stuff. I have 2. I may need 3, I probably won't though. So, 2 of those. You don't necessarily need 2. And then I have some Sainsbury's shaving foam. It's literally only 50p this stuff. Yeah. And then I just have this Airwick. And let me just give you a tip. You cannot use the cheap Sainsbury's stuff. You cannot use Febreze. It has to be Airwick. Has to be. It doesn't really matter which Airwick. It just has to be Airwick. So, yeah. You don't really have to have any scent, really. I just picked up the first one that I saw, and it's just a smooth lily one. It smells really nice. I sprayed it last night and this morning. So, it should make scented slime. It should. Okay, so let's get started. So I just need to shake this shaving foam. Animal cruelty. I'm kidding, I would never do that. Okay, that should be enough. So I'm going to make a fluffy first. So, actually, it doesn't really matter which bowl. Okay, pack the 3 bowls away. I need 1 glue bottle. And 3 ingredients for this first. And you need bowls. I just have these plastic ones, also from Sainsbury's. And this is a little wrapper that they came that's still on the table. Okay, this is the bowl. It's just clear, so I can look at the bottom, see how much I've put in. So, yeah. So first we're going to need glue. I've already took the caps off these last night. But as you can see, I took the cap off. Okay, let's add some glue into the bowl. I'm not going to add the whole blue thing in, so it needs to make 4 slides. Okay, that should be enough. Okay. Okay, so hold on. Pour it over there. This is the glue. This is the glue in the bowl. It's just white. I'm not colouring it today. So now, I'm just going to shake this up one more time so it dies down quickly. So let's open the, and you're going to add about the same amount or a little bit less of this. Ooh, yeah. I forgot you need something to mix with. Ooh, okay, I might have already done that. Okay. I'm just going to go get something to mix with. See you in a sec. Okay, so I have a spoon to mix this. Right. So then you're going to mix this. I may have overdone the shaving foam. I might have. I can have more glue in there. Whoa. This is not the first time I've mixed all the shaving foam in together, but it feels amazing. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this in. Not all of it, I might mix a little bit in. And then I will see you guys when it's nearly mixed in. So yeah. Oh yeah, and by the way, ingredients will be in the description box below. Okay, so I have now mixed the glue and shaving foam together. It actually feels bizarre, I don't know why. And now let's go in with the Airwick. So, okay, that was actually a lot. I need to do this so I don't inhale any of it, because it could harm you a lot. So, yeah. I actually feel this working already. Started doing it sniffer. Yeah, I got this cute, the words with cute cat. Okay, there we go. Actually, I'm going to close the door so my brother doesn't hear anything. Because I had the kitchen door open and he's playing on the video game. Oh my god, I need to rub out the face. There. Oh, it's actually working. Okay, I thought about that. I've never made slime before in my whole entire life. This is the first for me. And actually, like, I've wanted to make slime for literally all my life. Well, not all my life, until I discovered slime. Like, until I discovered the slime poking things. What the heck was that? Well, that's what you do with slime. You poke it. Over there. Hear that noise? It's probably the boiler. The boiler does that sometimes. There's a really big hole. What the heck is happening to the spoon? Actually, I'm going to put this further away from me. This is what it looks like right now. Pretty good, I guess. Okay. Okay. Cover my ears up for some reason. Actually, hold on. Put my hood up, and then this should be a lot easier. What the heck? Okay. I'm like a bloody French girl now with a beret on, walking around the streets. Okay. Alright, this doesn't help. Wow. I'm not doing this, right? I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that, I'm adding a lot more. Okay. I feel this working. I don't know why. At the end of this video I might have poking, I'm not sure. I need to practice it first. I will need to practice it. I'm going to stand up now. Okay. I need to tie my hair up. Hold on, I'm going to tie my hair up. Okay, so I'm back. Just tie my hair up. Okay, let's mix this in. Wow, it's actually working. I feel this working, guys. Should do that. Wow. Alright. Move my hair. I'm like a blooming devil with my hair like this. Sorry if all my videos are quiet. I don't know why I turn quiet in my videos. It's just something I do. I'm like really loud. And I'm so super quiet. I'll put more shaving foam in. I want it to be extra fluffy. Like extra fluffy. Oh, I think I know what's putting holes in the spoon. I'll put this, holes like this. Like the indents come in. This is what my slime looks like right now. It looks like it feels like super fluffy. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna feel super fluffy. And I like these because you can either reuse them or bin them. There we go. It's working, guys. I've been watching your slime videos, and I just saw, you know when you mix it and then like little screechy lines